have $1 million startup idea and I genuinely think कि कोई इसे बना नहीं रहा है क्योंकि it doesn't sound glamorous enough. A few days ago, रात के 2 बजे, my dad had a medical emergency. घर पे सिर्फ मैं और mom थे. Obviously, we panicked. We live in Kanpur, a tier 2 city, and here's something people sitting in metro cities don't realize that access looks very nice on paper, but reality mein the whole system collapses. There's a hospital close to our house that claims that it's open 24/7. और सालों से हम mentally, subconsciously उस पे rely करते आए हैं. And that night when we reached there at 2 a.m., no doctors, nurse was fast asleep, lights dim, वो hospital की तरह लग भी नहीं रहा था. So my mom and I then drove him to one of the biggest hospitals in the city and got him admitted to the emergency room. We did what we had to do, but पूरे time मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही thought चल रहा था that luckily I was here. I don't even live here full time. I work outside and so do millions of people in this country. पिछले कुछ 20-25 years में people in their 20s, 30s and 40s have moved out of their hometowns to work in bigger cities. तब हमारे parents young थे, independent थे, they could manage. But now our parents are aging. Some of them are in their 60s, 70s, even 80s. And the key point here is that they live alone. Families छोटी हो गई हैं, children live in different cities, different countries. Parents tier 2 और tier 3 cities में रह गए with systems that look functional but don't actually work when you need them. And honestly, यहाँ सिर्फ startups की बात नहीं है. The government has done absolutely nothing to address senior citizen emergency care in smaller cities. ये policies and helplines exist on paper, but ground reality ये है कि there is zero accountability. If you're not creating jobs in the city and people have to leave their hometowns और उनको बाहर जाना पड़ रहा है, then at least build systems that take care of the people that they leave behind. I even tried calling Apollo Spectra hospitals that night, and instead of help, I got music. Press 1 for this, press 2 for that at 2 a.m. in a medical emergency situation. And let's be very honest, our parents are not going to install apps, figure out onboarding, verification when they're scared or they are in pain. उनको complicated tech नहीं चाहिए. They need something very fast, instant and human. God forbid कोई भी parent अपनी 60s और 70s की एज में रात के बीच में emergency medical care figure out करे, ये acceptable ही नहीं होना चाहिए. Our parents deserve better than this. So if the government is not doing anything, then the startups need to do something. और अगर startups भी ignore कर रहे हैं, then we're heading straight into a disaster. Because this problem is only going to get more intensified in the next 5-10 years.